This is the Vintage Coach Tango Flap Bag, style number 9049, in the color red, and it was made in Costa Rica in 2001. So this is just a cute little crossbody bag. As you can see, it comes with a crossbody strap, and it does come with the matching two-sided hang tag. The hang tag does have a little stain here on one side though. So this is a mini size bag or smaller size bag in my opinion. It does have a small turn lock closure on the front of the bag. Here's what the sides look like. The strap is sewn directly onto the bag, so the strap is not adjustable. And then here's the back. And it does have a small slip pocket on the back of the bag, as you can see, and then I'll open it to show you the inside pocket. So the bag does have a small little slip pocket that sits on the inside, and you can actually pull it out. I'll pull it out so I can show you the creed right here. So you can see that the bag is authentic, and it says it was made in Costa Rica. So that's the Tango Flap Bag, style 9049. Hopefully that gives you a better idea of what the bag looks like and the overall size of the bag. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed learning more about that bag. It is available now in our online store, so the link will be below just in case you wanted to look at it further. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.